Your favorite artist, AC here, back at you with a new video. So today, like I told y'all in the last video, I showed y'all a little sneak peek of the next video, which will be this one. If you watched it, if you did, good for you. If you didn't, well, fuck you too then, whatever. Ain't hurting my feelings, but I'm gonna give y'all a sneak peek of the next painting that we're gonna do. Cause like I told you, it's an art channel, so I'm gonna start posting more art videos. But here's a sneak peek of the next painting. Something like, ain't nothing too crazy, but But alright, man, that's enough of all this talking, so let's get into this new video, man.
Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential.
Yeah.
Because of my potential.
Yeah.
Because of my potential.
Yeah.
Because of my potential.
When it comes to these women, I get fine acquisitions. Money make them come, but they stay cause my ambitions. In a pool of problems, all these haters steady fishing. I establish goals while they wasting time wishing. Yeah, I got flow, but my life's not down the drain. I'm not only getting it, I actually use my brain. My confidence is the crane in which I use to elevate to another level, state of consciousness. I meditate, devise a better plan than hitting the block and selling. Ask a real G, ain't no love for a felon. Cause being broken, gray bearded don't look cool. Upper class use underachievers as footstools. Climbing to the money and politicians be protecting it. While you're in the streets, your rights, they be neglecting it. Booking street smart, I'm a force to be reckoned with. I'm the underdog, but my success, I be expecting it.
Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential.
All the ladies wanna date me.
Because of my potential.
And all the haters love to hate me.
Because of my potential.
Cause they mad that they ain't me.
Because of my potential.
Cause I got what they can't see.
Because of my potential.
The state of hip hop, that's none of my concern. I stay fly, these other rappers, they just crash and burn. I can't be categorized, my methods are not simplistic. My individuality, all the haters against it. I don't stroke egos and I never ride coattails. I love making music and I don't care if I don't sell. A lot of bars, no sale. Killing these tracks, no jail. Smash a chick, don't tell. She fell in love? Oh well. My mind on my music in rotation. Promoters politicking, now it's all across the nation. You see what you facing? The game, it's been waiting. Give you that Joe Paterno treatment, records I'm replacing. The billboards is like NASCAR, you can see me racing. All the way to the top, the opposition chasing. Beautiful women's the pit stop I'm running through. I can't stay in one place, so they hang with the crew.
Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential.
All the ladies wanna date me.
Because of my potential.
And all the haters love to hate me.
Because of my potential.
Cause they mad that they ain't me.
Because of my potential.
Cause I got what they can't see.
Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential.
All the ladies wanna date me.
Because of my potential.
And all the haters love to hate me.
Because of my potential.
Cause they mad that they ain't me.
Because of my potential.
Cause I got what they can't see.
Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential.
All the ladies wanna date me.
Because of my potential.
And all the haters love to hate me.
Because of my potential.
Cause they mad that they ain't me.
Because of my potential.
Cause I got what they can't see.
Because of my potential.
All in me.
Because of my potential. Because of my potential.
You know I got it.
Because of my potential.
I know you want it.
Because of my potential.
All the ladies wanna they
because
mean.
of my potential.
And all the haters love to hate me.
Because of my potential.
'Cause they mad that they ain't
Because of
me.
my potential.
'Cause I got what they can't see.
Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential. Because of my potential.
Yeah.
Because of my potential.
Yeah.
Because of my potential.
Yeah.
Because of my potential.
When it comes to these women, I get fine acquisitions. Money make them come, but they stay cause my ambitions. In a pool of problems, all these haters steady fishing. I establish